Hello and welcome back to Find the Ducks. It is episode 50, which means milestone video, which means new hardest duck, of course. I want to try to do the first catastrophic difficulty, which is DOOMSPIRE duck, Mega DOOMSPIRE duck, because we have all the other regular DOOMSPIRE ducks, and that is basically already like extreme difficulty, so that's only like 2 steps up. Which means it shouldn't be too hard normally. I know where it starts, assuming he's also going to join. So I'm going to go there real quick. I totally forgot where it was. I know where it is, but not fully sure. Like it is in the lemon zone. And then it was like somewhere over here. Like one of these, yeah, you can move this one. And then it was down here. A truck roller, go away. No one likes you. Okay, we wait. It should be here somewhere in the maze. I don't fully remember where in the maze. This is not it, right? This is where the duck is. This is not where it is. I remember seeing it in the maze over here. Oh my god, that hurts. It was the other way from the fucking beginning. I'm gonna die, am I? Yeah, he fucking owned me. Are you kidding me? I got owned by the citron roller. Ain't no way. This video is gonna be a long one. I got owned. Should me fight it? That is so. I mean, I wouldn't expect to see Bacon say something like that. I would more like expect a find the feed from him. Yeah, he's above me. Oh my fucking god, I'm getting owned again. It's not here. Huh? Am I schizophrenic? Was it not in this maze down here? Hold on, I'm fucking stupid, I think. Alright, I'm back here. Was it? It was down this one. I knew it was down somewhere, dude. Hi, I went down the wrong fucking hole. Okay. Alright, now we need to find... Start with red. I guess. It's probably near the red sword, to be honest. I'm not clicking one. How does he remember? He's never done this before. What does he want? Remember the silent places. What? Oh, those things. The air is still. You feel like something here will change in the future. Um, then what? Let me go back to the lemon zone real quick. Well, I'm at the red DOOMSPIRE. I see Steve here. Why is Steve down here? Hold on. That is not what you do. Okay. We're trying to figure out how, what we do next. We both don't really know. Why is there a yellow ball above yellow? Hold on. Alright, we have a hinge that it is yellow where we start. Because yellow has like a ginormous orb on top of its DOOMSPIRE, so... What is this place? Do we go to yellow DOOMSPIRE itself? I know it's focal. Well, that means we need to go to the purple portal. Let me go there real quick. This is hard to figure out. The start is already hard to figure out, dude. What do we do? Go to the purple portal. Go down. Touch that. Let's go to the top. Real quick. Why is that one flying, by the way? Why is that pillar flying? I think this is what we do. No. Oh, it's just not it. This is the only one with a thing above the DOOMSPIRE, and I don't remember seeing this here before, so... The button we pressed definitely activated this. Huh. Well, we've been scavenging for about 45 minutes now already, and I found Milo. How do we open up Milo's gate? That is the question. Not that I want to do that now, but... Huh. And I'm just trying to do stuff in... the lemon zone. Like, I found a weird elevator. I'll go back to that real quick. Which is super weird. Yes. The elevator over here, like it... I don't know what it is with this thing, but it goes vertically. I feel like this has to be something. There I glitch out. Huh. I think I might understand, but that is super hard. If you're not supposed to... Please just go in. Thank you very much. That was close. It goes inside the other thing, dude. Huh. Dude, oh my god, we are so blind. I think it's been like, I mean, when did I post me getting blue DOOMSPIRE? Let me check real quick. Literally 1 hour of trying stuff. There is no way. There's a fucking ginormous bridge over here. On the outside with all the conveyors. Dude, how are we both so unbelievably blind? Yes, we can. It's so obvious. This is so silly. I'm gonna walk to here already. I died. Okay. /E, red, yellow, green, blue. Stand in the pod when speaking. Don't miss your ride. Oh my god, I actually... Oh, this is the pod, okay. But what are the other things for then? The rings of like the flower ring and stuff. Red, yellow, green, blue. Oh boy. M is C on. That is the periodic table of elements. Okay, this looks interesting. What is my real name? December 3, 2022. The flowers were a cipher 2. What is this? What are we associated with? Yeah, indeed. Oh my god. This looks nail. Oh my goodness, dude. Theoretical celestial bodies and candidates. I'm just gonna start with red, dude. I'm just gonna do it one by one. Yeah. Where do I even start, dude? There's Alex's Table of Lights, maybe? Alex's Table of Lights. I don't think that's it. Alex's table. Are these all elements? EMISSION. Periodic table of elements. I don't think they are, right? Especially IS and SI. SI is silicon. Or even EM. I don't remember ever seeing an EM or an ON. Yeah. That is not true. Hold on, there's words in here. There's words in here. Hold on. Alex. That's Alex Pets. Double T. Hold on. What is this? That is a C. Pet core. Petcom. That's what I get. Let's look this up. Petcomb. And there's like a bunch of weird dots. Those are everywhere. Or I can Alex Pet. Betty. Alex Pettycomb. Alex Pettyfur. I think it's alexpetty.com maybe. I'm gonna look it up to see if it's real. It takes super long to load, so I highly doubt it. It is definitely alexpetty.com because I see a dot here. But now I just need to wait until the website is loaded. And then after that I'll continue, I guess. Alright. Before I stopped recording, it was like a few weeks ago, I decided to give another shot at this, because this definitely looks on the easy side. This is of course a periodic table of elements. This spells emission. Emission of light. And then there was this word in here. So Alex Petty. .com. Can I not? Hold up. Can I give feedback? Can I make it more clear for me like this? alexpetty.com. This looks like Braille. Alex Petty. Yeah. The only alexpetty.com, and then I don't know what that is. It's not Braille. It's not. Um, I remember looking this up and then it didn't do anything. Yeah, it doesn't. Alex Petty. Exit. Please move. I cannot move around it. Okay, now I can. Emission of light. The periodic table of light. Oh, hold the phone. Let me share my screen here. I saw something with Alex Petty in here. A standard periodic table of elements. Yeah, it's Alex Petty is the author. Okay, well, this is the exact message that is on the fucking thing. So these are this. I think we need the element that is corresponding to these things over here, and then we get the letters, and that's probably the code that we get. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to give feedback again then, because that's just gonna make it a lot easier to see. Which one this could be. No. Is it this one? It's not this one, but it looks very close. I am on the correct thingy here. I know that for sure. Okay, I think we're just gonna have to look it up in here. These. They're gonna take a while to find because there's almost 100 of these. I kinda know what it looks like. Probably start at the start. I feel like you'd use more things that are at the start. It's not that, it's not that, not that, not that, not those. I thought that was it, but it isn't. These are the literal images that he took. So I am at the right section of the document right now. I think it's this. It's this. It's GE. I just clicked on Minecraft. That is kind of embarrassing. Let me put that GE. Yeah. Okay. That is one. On to the next one. That shouldn't be too hard to find either. It's neon. It's NE. So then we have gene. That is definitely a possibility for it to be a word. On to the next one. Genocide. Is it genocide? Genesis could also be it, if it's just sulfur, the final one. I nearly thought it was this. It is Genesis. Okay, then we have our code. That is a fun puzzle. Red, yellow, green, blue. That was easy as fuck, dude. Holy shit. That was so easy. Okay. I think this is I think this one doesn't look. That one looks tough. Same for this one. I know I tried the mirror one and I just couldn't solve it. I'm not gonna lie. I want to try to do this one because this one looks complicated, and when something looks complicated, most of the time it's decently easy. So no, this is the periodic table of elements again. This is also part of the periodic table of elements. Geographical celestial bodies. Any candidates? Gide. This one. Theoretical celestial bodies. Let me look that up. Theoretical celestial bodies. Autocorrect to hypothetical celestial bodies, and then can. That's. These Wikipedia pages. What about the theoretical? Um. I don't really know what I should do here. This one definitely looks a lot tougher than red because there's just way more information here. Why is it like this? 10. This one is tough. I might understand a little bit on this side. I still don't know what this could be or the numbers down here. But I have come to the conclusion that this bit of the periodic table of elements, those are gases. And these are metals. I also tried to look up this. And give me Kepler 7b. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gave 5 underscores, but he puts a 6-letter thing on it. And those are exoplanets. I don't know what this has to do with it. What I think what I have to do is find a name of a theoretical celestial body, put it on here that fits, and then grab these letters that are in red, and the same for here, for this one. Put the things that are in red here, and I think that's what I have to do here. Which is kind of fake, but I think that makes sense, hopefully. This is definitely not Kepler though, because it's 5 letters. I just need to figure out what happens here. I feel like I need to grab ChatGPT for this one to understand it a little bit better. So how I look at these images is that this is like a reference to planets or like stars or something like that, where the core, because we all know the core is made out of metal, and the atmosphere is made out of gases. So I feel like we need to find a planet that emits hydrogen and helium and then turns into a fucking planet. I don't know, dude. Are there planets that remove their helium and hydrogen from their atmosphere? Are there gas planets? Is that a better word? Are there gas planets that remove their helium and hydrogen from their atmosphere to become metal planets? Is that yes, at least in theory and very likely in practice. We haven't yet confirmed a fully metal planet from this way, but strong evidence suggests that some rocky, metal-rich exoplanets, again exoplanets, are stripped cores from former gas giants or gas-rich planets. Holy shit. You learn something new every day. So, intense X-ray and UV radiation from a nearby star heats the upper atmosphere. The atmosphere expands and escapes into space. This is especially effective for closing planets, young active stars. Hydrogen and helium are lost first, leaving heavier elements behind. Okay. Rocky or metal-rich ore, iron, nickel, silicates, and other heavy metals, much denser than Earth in some case. These objects are sometimes called Plutonian planets, a theoretical class. That is theoretical celestial bodies. Or should I look into this more? Ultra dense super Earths. That sounds a lot worse. Plutonian planets list. Should I? Plutonian planet. Plutonian planets are hypothetical rocky metal cores left behind after a gas giant's atmosphere is stripped away by intense radiation from a nearby star, leaving a dense hot world that resembles a super Earth or Neptune-sized planet, but with composition similar to giant planet's core, these planets orbit extremely close to their host stars, potentially emerging from evaporated hot Jupiters or brown dwarfs, with Korot -7b being a possible candidate. Korot 7b. That fits. That definitely fits. That would mean it's rot. Are there words that end on rot? In the English thingy. Korot -7b is what I have. Let me capitalize the rot then. Okay. I think that might be it. And I feel like I need to do some way the same on this side. VZ and then something. Red glow. N. This one seems a lot more fake because there's a lot less information here. Stars starting with VZ. This is for the universe. No, this is definitely not it. That is... Oh, for sure that's not it, dude. What does this mean? N degrees with a red circle around it. Maybe it means the star is red. List of stars. List of stars by constellation. Boy, this one is tough. Now I opened it up in a different tab. That is not smart. List of proper names of stars. it's on in order of this one, so... I can tell this one being a lot harder than the other one, that's for sure. Okay, I feel like I might just try to brute force this whenever I solve the other two. There's only 6 words that end on rod that are 5-letter words. So we can only try to brute force it if it's necessary. For now, I'm just gonna skip this one. I think that's just the best idea to do here, just to skip this puzzle for now. Because I have no clue what to do for this one. There's just not enough information for me to make anything out of this. Alright, I'm going back to the yellow puzzle. Mirror. What are we associated with? Is he going here? Goes here. What are we associated with? I feel like we're just... to the power of 2. That's what I need. Why can't there's just no copy paste for one. There we go. That's what I need. Magic mirror to the power of 2. Magic mirror rulers. What? What is this? Like, what the actual fuck did I fucking land on? What is this? What did I just end up on, dude? What are we associated with? The only thing with the power of 2 so far is this. Let me remove this now. Song. Magic mirror 2, mirror 2, mirror 2, mirror 2. What is this? No, it's just a fucking card. Okay. Alright, I just cannot find anything on the internet, so I'm just gonna try to do the same technique as what I did for the regular yellow DOOMSPIRE duck, which was just, you know, drawing lines and see if I can make a word or something like that. So I opened up Paint, but it's kind of hard for me to understand what to do here, because this one over here, it goes here, and then it goes just to the fucking ceiling, and then it just goes down, and then it just comes back. That's what it's just gonna go in circles. So I feel like these aren't complete. Which means I think that these lines, I feel like these are just regular mirrors, and this is also a mirror, which mirrors both sides. So I feel like all of these lines should be on each side. So I'm gonna do that with the middle one first because it's the easiest. So if I just, that's a little bit thicker than that. This, yeah. So if I add a line here, then with red. There. Yeah, that makes like a shape. It does kind of make it. It does kind of make a shape. It's like a diamond shape. Let me do that with this one as well. I'm gonna do this one last because that's just gonna be painful. Oh, yeah, this probably is the fucking solution. Because if you do it like this now, you go back up here, then go down, go here, then we add another one here, and then it goes back down. That is the fucking solution. Okay. Whoops. I think this is what they want us to do. It doesn't fit perfectly, but it does make sense. No clue what that could be, I'm not gonna lie. But it does come back to the start like this. Let's do this one next. Oh, that looks ugly. Okay. Well, I can work with this. In theory, it should bounce off of every single mirror. All the red dots that I'm making. Wait, I think I know what these are. Hearts, diamonds, and clover. Is it called clover in English? I don't know. What are we associated with? Was either the fourth card that is missing, or is it just general playing cards? Let me add it to my notes. Playing cards, or I just know the fucking Dutch word. A spade. It's spade, yes. It could be spade as well. So I think either cards or spade. Okay. Well, that one wasn't too hard. Yellow and red have been very easy, and blue has been very hard, so... But I do know that a lot of people hated this one. This one had the most questions in the fucking Discord server, so... This one is gonna be painful! I think what is my real name is gonna be the final step. I think I'm gonna have to skip that one now. I think we're just gonna have to start with these. December 3rd, 1992, the flowers were a cipher too. Let me look that up on the internet real quick. December 3rd, 1992. The flowers song. No, I don't want interested. I'm not interested in AI. The date December 3, 1992 corresponds with the release year of several songs with flowers in the title. The flowers. It could be a song. Date December 3rd, 1992 was the first day ever that a text message was sent. Through these. What was more in December 3rd, 1992? Famous deaths, I really don't care. Just the first ever text message. That is the most important thing. I don't think this has anything to do with the fucking first text message. That's the thing. Okay, I just cannot solve this at all, dude. I don't know what to do for this one. I'm looking up ciphers about flowers. I'm looking up fucking connections with flowers and the first text message. It has to be the first text message. It has to be. But I just don't understand, dude. I just do not understand this. I'm gonna have to fucking quit here. I'll continue this later. Just the Discord server is also of no help here because they never help with things. I'm gonna have to solve this on my own, but it's so hard, dude. It is so demotivating. I solved red, I solved yellow, I feel like I solved half of blue, and now this. I mean, it looks very complicated, but at the same time, it doesn't look complicated at all. I don't know, dude. I don't fucking know. Okay, it has now been several months since last time I was here. I just never got the motivation to continue this puzzle, I'm not gonna lie. But in the meantime, this is also what I was waiting for. Jimmy John released a fully explained video on every single puzzle here. Which means that if I'm really stuck, I can watch it. I still have my notes from last time. I never delete notes. I have solved. Let's see, where's it again? Oh yeah, over here. I have solved red. I'm like 99.9% sure I've solved red. I have sort of solved yellow. It can just be two different words. It can either be cards or spade. Either one of those. But we can just brute force. And the same with blue. I've solved this part and not this part, but there's only 6 possible words that it can be. Which means I only need to solve green. And then I can just brute force it. And that would still technically count it as fully legit. So I'm gonna do my real best on this green puzzle over here. And see if I can solve it. What was December 3rd again? December 3rd, 1992. Oh, the first SMS text message. The first text message was sent. The flowers were a cipher too. There are ciphers that are with SMS text and stuff like that. Text. Message. Yeah, we have multi-tap. And also T9. I know both of them exist. Multi-tap is basically just a fucking old phone where if you press 9 like 4 times, you have a Z. And then we go from down to up with the arrows. I feel like we need to I think these are all different letters that we, or different words that we get. Let me share my screen here. This is what I have. I think it's either one of these, but I think it's T9 because I don't see how you do multi-tap here. Unless what if it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is 3, and there's 2 branches on it, so it's 3, 3, so it's E. E. 4, 5, 6. 6, 6, 6 is O. 7 with 4 branches. That does okay. No, that's just wrong then. All of them have 2. This one has 3. This one has 3. Maybe it's based on order. These do not have any branches. I think these are just there to indicate that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But this might actually not be that hard. So on this one we have 3, 6, 7. 6, 7. Also technically in that order as well. 3, 6, 7. Here we have 3, 4, 8, but I feel like the 4 goes before the 3 because this one has less branches. This one has 6, 3, 6, 6, 8. What if we put that in here? Brute force all possibilities. 367, 438, 63, 6, and then 68. No, I am now in the multi-tab. I am in the wrong one. I need to go to the T9 converter. Forget. Forget. Forget me not? Forget me not. Forget me not. Was this puzzle this easy? How did I not see this like 2 or 3 months ago? And I swear to God, I have not looked at the video yet. Is it really just that easy? I mean, it's kind of fake, but it just... At one point it just clicked. And this time it clicked super fucking quickly. Forget me not. What is my real name? Google. Forget me not. Myosotis. This is a type of plant. Myosotis. Is that the code then? Myosotis. Red, yellow, green, blue. All in capital letters, I think. Stand in the pod, don't miss. Okay. So we have /E, Genesis, dash. I'm gonna start with cards first. Myosotis. And then, okay, for some reason I don't have the word, but I do remember it was 6 different ones. Yeah, these were the words. These 6. Carrot. It's not carrot. Larrot. So not that. Lirot. Sprot. Tarot. That's the only word that I know so far. Not tarot. Fraud. Okay, so it's none of these. Cards. Spade. Carrot. Wait. Spade. Larrot. Lirot. Sprot. Tarot. Fraud. Fuck, dude. It has to be one of these. It has to be. It has to be. It has to be. Red, yellow, green, blue. I can try lowercase as well. Genesis, cards, Myosotis. no, let me... Carrots. I forgot the rest already. Lirot. Lirot. Sprot. Tarot. Rot. Cards. Spade. Carrots. Claret. Lirot. Rot. Tarot. Fraud. Am I really just wrong on one of them? Red, yellow, green, blue. I'm in the correct order. It seems like I do use dashes. I can only try without dashes. Okay, I am stumped. I tried everything. I have something wrong. It is definitely a certainty I have something wrong, and I think it's gonna be the blue one, because I have never used anything with these. I have never used anything with these numbers, now that I think of it. I think what I need to do is grab an answer with these letters and then do something with those with those letters. So one of these 6 words. And then do something with these numbers. The thing is, I have no clue what this is. 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 I know tarot are tarot cards. Like, there's different types of cards. Like, I know that from Phasmophobia. I've played a lot of Phasmophobia. It's fraud. I recognize that word, but I have no clue what that means. So I think I'm just gonna look up all these words and see what they are. Is likely a misspelling. Okay, well then I don't think that could end. I don't think that's it. Leret. What is a leret? It's some sort of mouse. What is a leret? Leret, plural of lira. The currency of Israel. Okay, sprot. There's some sort of fish. Okay, I know tarot. Are tarot cards numbered? They are numbered. Tarot cards. 78 cards. Seven is the chariot meaning. Chariot meaning. Fuck. Why does it not work anymore? Chariot meaning. Well, probably no one will probably read that because I'm in a different age group, so it doesn't really matter. Chariot meaning. No, I'm gonna write this on my notepad because I'm gonna fucking hit enter again. I just know it. Chariot meaning. Let me move my notepad because I cannot do this fucking like this, okay? 9 is 2 further. It's hermit meaning 4. Emperor meaning 19. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Sun meaning 16 is tower meaning. Okay, I can already tell this spells chest. Strength meaning. So that spells chests. So is the code chests then? Let me try that. Let me actually try that. Notepad /E Genesis. Oh, let me stand on the pod, by the way. Genesis cards Myosotis chests. It's moving. It's fucking moving. No way. There is actually no way. Is there more? Holy fucking shit, finally, dude. I could have fucking saw... that actually kind of pisses me off. I could have saw this before the fucking fully explained release, dude. Oh my god, that was hard. This is the hardest badge that I've ever gotten without using a guide. It's not fully legit, but I am still gonna count as fully legit because I didn't solve one of the blue halves. I just fucking brute forced it. But it's still without a guide, and that is the most important thing. Holy fucking, let's fucking go, dude. That is sick. That is sick. Dude, I have no words. I have absolutely no words. The fact that I just solved the green one in like 10 minutes now as well, that's just insane. Dude, I am so happy about this. I am so happy about this. Find the Ducks is back. We're kicking off Find the Ducks this year with a banger, dude. This is one of the best badges of all time. Like, I feel like... I mean, I'm gonna watch it fully explained to see what the first blue puzzle is. I'm gonna do that, actually. Alright, it is time for reacting again. Let's see what this is. So, green is the hardest puzzle? No, I don't think so. I think blue is harder. Objectively the hardest one without a doubt. Theoretical celestial bodies and the candidates. Basically, we need to find specific celestial objects that match with the hints provided on both sides. That's what I expected, because that's what I did with the other one. So let's start with the left side. Okay, thank you. First of all, our celestial object's name is given briefly here. Before it comes an issue later, I'm going to point out that VZ is wrong and the correct prefix is VX. Okay, well, then it's not really my fault, I guess. Next is the hint for the specific object. And it's referring to saying to the nth degree. This saying basically means to a high magnitude or to an utmost. Yeah, I would have never gotten that, I'm not gonna lie. Lastly, the big red circle. This is really fake, but it's referring to the object's color. Okay. However, combining this with nth, we can infer that it's referring to star magnitude, brightness, pointing to a very bright red star. Okay. I mean, so far it does kind of make sense. But how do we know it's a star? The prefix VZ or collective VX is a two-letter identifier for variable stars in constellations. I did not know that, I'm not gonna lie. But then again, I never looked up VX because I thought it was VZ, and VZ didn't give me anything. So now I can infer that we're looking for a constellation name. Overall, this is our info on the object. A variable star that's red in color with an extreme magnitude and named after a 10-letter constellation. Okay, as much as I honestly like this puzzle, the fact that the right object has the prefix VX and not VZ makes this next part suck a lot. As even with all of these hints, it's still hard to find a correct variable star with our info. Even when trying to brute force based on a 10-letter length, it's still extraordinarily hard since some constellations are their names plural. So how did I solve this? Well, I honestly pretty much searching through random stars at that VZ, and I just why? I hate YouTube. Don't fucking full screen it. Then I could hopefully compare to the magnitude and color hint to 100% confirm the celestial objects. After looking around for hours, I eventually found the correct star. Let me speed this up a bit. VXZGSGR, a part of the constellation Sagittarius. That's 11 letters. Oh, but plural. Seems like nothing until you look at the unabbreviated name. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is 10 letters. Not only that, but the prefix is actually correct. Then we can confirm very easily. A large magnitude, rain in a constellation. Red supergiant. Oh my god. Okay, that is actually nil. That is actually nil, dude. Now let's substitute Sagittarian. Let's keep in mind the letters TA. Yeah, that's the start of Tarot. Holy shit. That is actually insane. Now that I think of it, all of these puzzles, they seem very, very tough, but they all looked like their original puzzles, like the red DOOMSPIRE duck. I remember it being things with flames and stuff, and color flames, and now it was like color waves and stuff. It's almost the same direction. Yellow both had mirrors. Green both had just ciphers. The first one was book cipher, this one was a different cipher, but it was a cipher. And the regular blue DOOMSPIRE, which apparently I don't have in this realm, even though I do have it. I've literally posted a video on that. This was about space stuff, and the blue Mega DOOMSPIRE also was about space stuff. This duck is so well made, dude. This might actually be a top 10 best badges of all time. I'm not gonna lie. This was so cool. This was so cool. And I'm glad I've done this as my 50th episode. Even though it took me... I mean, how long has it been? Has it been 4 months since I posted my last Ducks video? Maybe even more. It was so worth it. It was so worth it. And Find the Ducks is coming back on my channel more often now. Maybe not weekly, because I am in the later stage of the game, and the later stage of this game is harder. But it's coming back more. It's coming back more. Boy, I feel so good about this. I feel about this the same way as I felt about Static Brick, solving Static Brick. But in my opinion, Static Brick is nothing compared to this. I guess I didn't do it fully 100% legit, but I didn't use a guide, so that is a positive to take away from this. I don't know if I'm ever gonna peak like this ever again, dude. And enough yapping. I'm gonna end the video right here, dude. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.